What is triple integration? In order to understand the concept of triple integration, let's consider a square box, which comprises of a number of small boxes in all the three directions. Let's assume that the total number of boxes along any direction is. Now to calculate the volume of this large box, let us represent it graphically, whose function is fxi, yi, zi, where I can be any value from 1 to n. Let the region enclosed by the boundary of the large box be R. Now let us place our focus on this small box. Let its dimensions be dx, dy, and dz. Thus, the volume dV of this small box will be the product of dx, dy, and dz. Now, to find the volume of this large box, we need to add the product of fxi, yi, zi, and the volumes of all the small boxes together. Thus, we get the volume as, if we integrate the function fxi, yi, zi thrice over the entire region of the large box, this will give us the volume of the large box as, or thus, triple integration is a process where we integrate any function thrice over a closed-bounded region in a three-dimensional plane. Now let's evaluate this triple integral. We see that here the region is bounded by the limits x equal to a to b, y equal to c to d, and z equal to e to f. So first, let's integrate the innermost integral. Thus, integrating the function f x y z with respect to x, we get the area of the row whose width is dy and height is dz. Let's name this new function as gyz. We see that this function gyz depends on the variables y